Okay, front oil pump cover, the score it. Yeah, we try and fix it. Okay, front pump cover, remove its scratches. Now what we need for this one? Drill, 3D printed leveling for drill. It's one part, just sticking on glue sandpaper. It is for top surface adapt. Okay, smallest one with sandpaper inside. It's like this, and sanding. And here, new parts. Here for measuring. 3D adapter for measuring. Pushing inside. And with this one, measuring difference between side and part should be 0.1. Okay, we have now SeaDoo PTO cover of engine, and pump is scored. Absolutely same. You see, restore it, scratch remove it. PTO cover. Just need extra bigger one. Top surface sanding to adapt your parts, and same work. This one inside sanding. This is top sanding. And adapter. Measuring same with micrometer.